The natural world contains of about 8.7 million species, with 6.5 million species on land and 2.2 million species in oceans, according to the Census of Marine Life. Although many scientists fight this staggering number, some of them ended up slightly stranger than the rest of the animals and underwater kingdom. So today I've collected for you 10 of the strangest animals that inhabit our planet. On number 1, we have the frill-necked lizard, found in northern Australia and southern New Guinea. This frill-necked lizard is very unique, and plenty of animals are interested in it, and it has adapted its body to ward off potential predators and has the ability to run extremely fast, and is also capable of running on just its hind legs when it picks up speed. On number 2, we have the blobfish. The blobfish is a deep-sea fish which inhabits water just above the seabed at a depth of 600 to 1,200 meters off the coasts of mainland Australia, New Zealand, and Tasmania. The blobfish is a rather odd-looking fish out of water, but this is due to the strange adaptations to its preferred waters. While many fish use gas bladders to create buoyancy, the blobfish does it by being made up of gelatinous masses with a slightly lower density than water. This blobfish is also lacking in muscle, so much of its existence is spent floating along with the current and eating whatever floats right in front of it. On number 3, we have the goblin shark. The goblin shark is a rare species of deep-sea shark, and this pink-skinned animal has a long pained snout and cloaked nail-like teeth and can move incredibly fast. It is usually between 3 to 4 meters long when mature, though it can also grow larger, such as one that was captured in 2000 that is thought to have measured 6 meters. On number 4, we have the Komodo dog. The Komodo, also known as the Hungarian sheepdog, is a large white-colored Hungarian breed of livestock guardian dog, and its coat is soft and feathery, but also curly and tends to twist as the puppy matures. A fully mature coat is shaped naturally from the soft base coat. Echidna is on number 5, and this echidna is sometimes known as a spine ant-eaters and one of the 2 members of the monotremes order of mammals, which means that it does not birth live young but lays eggs. They are covered in spines and have long snout lined with electroreceptors, a feature only found on land in echidnas and platypuses. On number 6, we have the aye-aye. With bulging eyes, giant ears, and tufts of hair, the aye-aye is a long-figured animal found in Madagascar with rodent-like teeth that perpetually grow and a special thin middle finger. It is the world's largest nocturnal primate, characterized by its unusual method of finding food, which it taps on trees to find grubs, then gnaws holes in the wood, using its forward slanting incisors to create a small hole in which it inserts its narrow middle finger to pull the grubs out. Next, we have the axolotl. This animal is also known as the Mexican walking fish, and it is one of the most unique amphibians in the world. Aside from the outward appearance, this amphibian is neotenic, meaning that the adults remain aquatic and gilled instead of going through a metamorphosis when reaching maturity. They also have the ability to regenerate almost any of their body parts. This type of animal is found in Mexico, and they have thrived in capacity and also have become prized by the scientific world as well as by civilians as pets. On number 7, we have the platypus. This platypus is an egg-laying mammal that is semi-aquatic, nocturnal and venomous, and it is sometimes referred to as the dark-billed platypus. This animal is found in Australia and Tasmania, and it has evolved electroreception to help locate prey, much like bats and sharks, but has almost 40,000 electroreceptors, which provide incredible accuracy. This little creature only grew up to around 50 centimeters in length, and it is one of the only creatures in the world to be the one and only representative of its family and genus for scientific classification. On number 8, we have the Dumbo octopus. Given their resemblance to the title character of Disney's 1941 film Dumbo, having a prominent ear-like fin which extends from the mantle above the eye, it's clear how this species got its name. This species lives at least 13,100 feet below the surface. The largest Dumbo octopus ever recorded was 5 feet 10 inches long and weighed 13 pounds. These Dumbo octopuses move by slowly flapping their ear-like fins, and they use their arms to steer. On number 9, we have the sloth. Sloths are mammals that live in the Central and Southern America and are deemed to be omnivores, as they can eat small lizards and insects, but their meals include generally birds and leaves. Sloths have made unusual adaptations to an arboreal lifestyle. Sloths own very huge and slow-acting stomachs that have many sections in which symbiotic bacteria crush the harsh leaves. Well, those have been the top 10 weird creatures that are found on our planet.